Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you YouTube TV versus Fios TV. Which is better? YouTube TV and Fios TV both provide TV content, but different in approach. YouTube TV streams live black channels ABC, NBC, CBS, ESPN, and CNN nationwide, while Fios TV offers cables in areas with Verizon fiber, including local, premium, and specialty channels. YouTube TV works on smart TVs, Roku, Apple TV, Chromecast, consoles, and mobile devices with cloud DVR and on demand content. Fios TV mainly requires a set-top box with DVR limits and some on-demand shows. YouTube TV has an intuitive interface with recommendations. Fios TV varies by device but is simple to navigate. Pricing is subscription-based for YouTube TV and package-based for Fios TV. YouTube TV is ideal for streaming flexibility, while Fios TV suits traditional cable users and Verizon areas. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.